Preseason time. 2008 preview. So let's check out ESPN the magazine as we get into this 2008 preseason. Preseason polls. Hopes are renewed in Norman, apparently. USC, Miami, Virginia Tech, Nebraska, Oklahoma, and Texas are the top 6. Miami looking strong, Texas looking strong. Penn State rounds out the top 10. Well, let's find our guys here. Ooh, first one, 67th. Me in that last place recruiting class. C+ overall. Special teams are best thing about my team. I'm famished. FIU, C+. C+. Making improvements. Should be ranked higher than that, I think, after this season. San Jose State, 97th. Buckshot. With C's across the board. Let's hope we can get some improvement there. Currently, Appalachian State, 119th, last. That is who is currently in last. All right. Conference USA. Marshall, 5th. But first in the East? Okay. Let's see if we can do it. Let's see where else our guys are at here. Conference outlooks. Sunbelt, FIU. Projected for 4th this season. And then I think this is where San Jose State is in the WAC. 7th, 3rd from bottom. See if he can outperform those expectations. I think he can do it. All right, with that being said, let's look at our schedules. Let's see how we can do with these this year. So, custom schedules. Marshall. Let's move that rivalry game to home. Texas State, Samford. So I think I get a loss, a win, a couple of potential wins. That's a loss. Potentially a win. Let's bring that home. That could be a win. Yeah, I think I'm looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm looking at 7 wins I should get. I'm looking at 7 maybe. San Jose State, Samford, San Diego State, Tennessee is there. It's a tough game on the schedule for them. Okay, now let's look at FIU. They got to play Iowa, Eastern Washington, Toledo, UMass, Georgia Tech. So again, a few pretty tough opponents there. So what I'm going to do is go make sure that all of those teams have real schedules, make sure there's no adjustments that need to be made for teams that are actually in the game versus the teams that you can still schedule. So I'll let you know if there are any updates. Okay, so there's one school on a couple of our schedules, actually, Samford. They are not technically on it for schedules. They are a FCS school, so that is someone that has to be replaced. So obviously we have to look for another school that we could potentially play. I could play Buckshot there. We could actually play each other, but let's try to avoid that. I think one of the things we can do here is just go through and try to find a team, that we could play that, could give us a win. I think I'm going to try UMass. I think they're in the game. That's the team that I'll select. San Jose State also had Samford week 1. So let's change that. And South Carolina State is in the game. And I actually think that would be a closer matchup. I think he could get that. So those are the schedules we're going to stick with. And that is our preseason. I think now what we're going to do is roll into the season and see if we can